guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, actually, even when I first started this set, but I just never did, and it finally dawned on me like I should do this because this is something that I've always wanted to see. Even before I started my lock journey, when I was doing my own personal research, I was looking at other people's lock journeys. I just always wanted to see a close-up of people's locks and what their hair looked like over time. Yes, updates are good and all, but I really wanted to like get deep into people's hair. Even now when I'm doing people's hair, I'm like looking very closely because it's just so interesting to me, and to see how different changes happen and the texture and all that jazz. So I'm starting a playlist of only close-ups of my hair. I'm gonna go month by month for you guys. It's gonna be something completely separate than updates. I mainly just want this to be close-ups of my hair so you guys can see what to expect with your own locks. I understand not everyone's hair is the same, which is perfectly okay, but it still just gives you an idea of how locks change and things that you might expect to see within your own hair as well. I know a lot of you guys are in my comments saying that we have similar hair types, similar hair textures, or we're around the same time period within our lock journeys, which is awesome. And I just think that it would be something helpful for you guys, and like I said, it's something I always wanted to see and never found someone that actually did something like that, so here I am. I'm letting you guys know right now, I washed my hair last night and I moisturized it afterwards, and I'm sure some of you guys know once you wash your hair, it's like, oh, we're gonna do this, and you guys are about to see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. Y'all, I don't even, let me go get a hair tie. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the back and work my way up to the front because the back looks completely different than the front. It just looks completely different all over, honestly. It's just a hot mess. I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like before I moisturize it, because obviously it's gonna look much different once I do moisturize it. So I want you guys to see how it looks when I wake up, even though I woke up hours ago, but I haven't done anything to my hair. So I just wanted to be real with y'all and show y'all the tea. So let's get into it. Skincare routine, I'm gonna put it up there. Feel me? I also wanted to start making these videos because a lot of you guys expressed concerns to me that you feel like your hair is too frizzy or you have loose strands all over the place, and I just want you guys to see that that is completely normal. Yes, I'm almost 4 months in, so my hair might not look exactly like yours, or you might not see as many loose strands as I had before, but I still got them. I still got the frizz, as you can see. So I just want to kind of put you guys at ease, put your minds at ease, because I know it can be like stressful to think about. This is new to you. This is not something that you're used to. I know y'all be freaking the hell out, and there's really no need to. So that's also a point or a reason why I wanted to start making these videos. As you can see too, like some of them are different sizes as well. Some parts of my hair are much thicker and more dense than other parts. So as you can see, the ones on the sides are more thinner than the ones in the very middle of my head. And the size of the section won't even be that much drastically bigger either. It's just, that's just the texture of my hair in that one part of my head. I am gonna moisturize my hair too and show you guys what it looks like too after it's moisturized. This one's shrinking up a lot. These are literally the same sections on two different sides, and look at the difference in length. That's insane. Y'all, I gotta deal with my hair looking like this for like another week and some change, because I am waiting a full month to do this retwist. That's probably the only one that really stayed. But look at how thick it is. Do y'all see that? For what? For what? And a lot of you guys will be in my comments, not a lot, but some of you guys will be in my comments talking about some, oh, it's bunching, it's bunching. This is bunching. I wish y'all could feel it through the camera, because you see me, if I were to retwist it, it's still gonna be that size. It's huge. I know this is gonna condense much more, but as you can see, I have the loose strands are coming out of it. Especially right there. So it's normal. I know it will compact over time. I'm not worried about it at all. The ones at the top are very thick. Very, very, very thick. Because you see this part, this is how it started out, about this size. And now look at it. That's crazy. I can't wait to see what this next retwist is gonna look like. So that is what they are looking like up close. I'm gonna go moisturize my hair really quick before I end this video so you guys can see what it looks like after I'm done moisturizing it. I am sorry there is a UPS truck in the background, but oh well. Okay, so now that I moisturized my hair and it still looks like WTF, you can actually like notice, you can see the loose strands a lot better, like this. And on this one too, it's always the top ones. You can see it's completely normal. You can see it really all over the place. And you can even see I have some of the knots at the ends too, which, like I said before, I don't pull them out. They fall out when they want to. So yeah, let me spin around for y'all. If you guys haven't already watched my moisturizing routine, I'll put it in the cards above so you can go watch that. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna be doing these probably monthly. It is gonna be separate from my update videos because I'll probably just go into more detail about what's going on with my hair and just more changes that I noticed. But those will probably be along my retwist videos anyways. I don't know, we'll see when the time comes. But thank you guys so much for watching, and also let me know if you're excited about this new series I'm starting, because I'm really excited. A lot of you guys tell me that you have very similar hair textures to me and you're at the same stage as me, so I just thought it'd be a good idea, and I just figured, why not? More videos for y'all. I'm trying to be more consistent this month, so yeah, that's that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.